I have a truck here that I claim exercises or produces uniform motion. Oh, come on, you can do better than that. Okay, yeah, sort of uniform. Now, I claim that was uniform motion. With your neighbor, with only a meter stick and a Mickey, develop an operational definition by which you could determine whether that was uniform motion. In other words, come up with an operational definition of uniform motion with a meter stick and a Mickey that you could measure against that you just saw. Talk to your neighbor. What would you do? Okay. Brave soul, raise your hand. Where are you? Yes, sir.
Equal intervals of space over equal intervals of time.
Okay. So what you would do is you would look for equal intervals of time and see how far it goes during those equal intervals of time. And if those are equal intervals of distance, you'd say that's probably uniform. Now, if my time intervals are fairly large, I could actually have this thing speeding up and slowing down as it went along. So the smaller I get these time intervals, the more sure I am that I've got uniform motion here. Okay? So that's pretty easy. Here's an example of uniform motion. What is that? Yes, that's the moon. I meant this other thing. Wally. No, that's not Wally. What is it?
Is it satellite?
No?
With the lunar laser?
Nope.
Spaceship.
International Space Station. Okay, that's filled with Russians. Okay. But you can see that this is a strobe photograph, and you can see that with equal intervals of time, we're covering equal distances. Okay? Now, what if I took the number 60 and divided it by the number 15, getting the number 4? What does that number 4 tell me about this motion? What interpretation can you give this number 4, sir?
4 centimeters a second
4 centimeters
per second.
per second. I would pronounce it a little differently, 4 centimeters for each second. Okay, it's how far this truck is getting down the road for each one interval of time. Thank you. Okay, now its name would be the velocity. But the name and the interpretation are very different things.